Hey everybody, Adam with Front Range Storm Contractors. Got my lovely assistant with me today, both of them actually, so I don't have to hold the camera. Today's video is going to be about the Equipter, what it can do for you as the customer, why you want a company that has an Equipter, okay? So we're going to show up to the job site, pulling it like this. I've got it raised up a little bit because I put some gas in it, so let me do some adjusting on camera in just a second. But what this is going to do, and you'll see in a minute, is it can actually raise up to the level of the roof so that trash does not get all over your yard. Nails all over your driveway, dogs and kids playing with trash and nails in the future because it didn't get picked up all the way. Not a great sight. So this is going to get loud, but bear with me for a minute, okay? It's got 4 wheels on it so that once we get it to the job site, like I said, we can move it right up to the house. Watch this. I can go up on the roof and open the other door. I didn't want to do it because it's a little tight spot here. It would have hit the roof on the side of the garage there. But I can still open it from the top. We can get all of the debris in there. It's also got a couple of extension bars right here, so that what I can do is I can put those extension bars on the back end of the trailer, and then I can put sheets of plywood on those extension bars so that it almost makes a chute going down in to the bed of the trailer itself, so that off the second story there, I can still get pretty close to the edge, so the guys throwing trash off the second story are just throwing it right into the dumpster or onto the chute and then slides down into the dumpster. It also comes with a couple of, they're on the other side so you can't really see it from here, but it comes with a couple of chutes that you actually nail onto the roof. And the chutes they catch the debris as it slides down the roof, and then you angle them down into the trailer so that all the debris slides down the roof, then down into the trailer like that. You can put them 2 on one side, 2 on the other, 1 on each side of the trailer, and it just kind of catches all the trash and directs it right down into the trailer. So it's an amazing piece of equipment. Really helps keep the entire area trash free. And you know, really, it's really helpful if you live downtown Denver, Old Town Littleton, or Arvada, or any other place like that where you don't have a driveway. You know, say you've got access from an alley in the back and a detached garage or something like that. That's where it's even more helpful, because all the other companies, if you have a driveway, they can back their trailer up here. No driveway, they've got to leave it on the curb. Whereas this can still get to your house even with no driveway. So that's why we use the Equipter for you, to benefit you. Benefits our workers and people as well. There are other benefits to it, but for you, it's really just going to help keep the entire place clean, including, if you notice, I went up and over the landscape. All right, have a great one, everybody.